Okay, this is our second pineapple that we've harvested this year. You can tell it was kind of lying on the plant that way because the top has already started to grow upwards. But look at the color of this. Here's the stem where we cut it off. So we're going to go ahead and cut this up. We are going to save the top. So okay, so off comes the bottom, and look at this color. Not going to waste any of this if possible. So with these, when you home grow, the core, you don't even need to take it out. It is completely edible. But look at that color. Okay, so here comes the top. And what I do with the tops, I leave the meat on the top and I lie it outside to dry out for about 2 weeks before planting. So there's the top. Once again, look at that color. You'll never ever find one in a supermarket this color. So I'm gonna go ahead, peel the rest of this guy. Okay, this is the peeling process so far. We don't have a nifty little machine like actually Homesteading with Sadie just put out a video on peeling a pineapple, so but that one took the core out too, so we don't need that. So we're going to get rid of the rest of the little divots here. Okay, and here we are with the first true slice. You can't even really tell where the core is on a homegrown like this. Not going to waste any of this. This actually started growing in February and just picked it, I guess, on Wednesday, so around the 1st of August. Okay, so here is our big plate of pineapple. Once again, you can completely eat the cores on a homegrown like this, and whoop, I'm sorry. We are going to pair that with, I'm not a wine snob by any means, but that is a sparkling rosé. This pineapple is so sweet, it is like eating candy. So the bitterness of that kind of goes well with the pineapple. So right now, both are going back in the refrigerator to chill, and I can't wait to eat it. So, highly recommend you grow your own. This is what it will look like. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.